Good morning. It rained and then it stopped, just like they promised here at 10 o'clock. So I'm heading over to Bike and Bean to pick up my bike and go off for a little ride. I don't feel my best today, so it might just be an hour or 2 hours or something like that, and then a longer ride tomorrow. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Okay, so here's a important lesson just learned. Don't update your gadgets while you're in the middle of using them. Apparently, there's something wrong with my GoPro now, so everything I've recorded from this time on doesn't sound too good. I don't know what went wrong. Anyway, what I was saying was that they didn't rent out any bikes this morning because of all the rain. They might do it later in the day, actually, but for now, I will be spending the time driving to Jerome to do a bit of wine tasting. Show me directions to Jerome, Arizona.
Getting directions to Jerome.
And as I drove into Jerome, it started raining again. Not a lot, just a light drizzle there. And well, it was quite cold actually, not freezing, but I was getting kind of worried there that it might turn into snow. It didn't though. So I went into Caduceus Cellars to go for a bit of a wine flight and taste some of their latest wines, and that was a quite pleasant experience. I'm not going to talk too much about Jerome right here. I have been there a number of times before and made a few videos, so I have compiled a playlist that I'm going to add to the info box to this video and to the description below. Just not having much luck today. Went to Jerome and did some wine tasting and couldn't really record anything. They're filled up with people. And so I went to Old Town Cottonwood to get some lunch. I remember a place that was quite good. I think I'm going to have some lunch there, and well, it ended up being closed under new ownership. That is, so yeah, that didn't happen either. So I think I'll just head home and make something myself now. So I called the shop and they said the trail has dried up, so sufficiently dry at least. So I get to ride a little anyway today, so that's good. Now let me just do a quick panorama shot here. Something is in direct sunlight, but that can't be helped. You know, it doesn't really get any better, I think. Oh, this is really what I came for. Well, it still was a bit slippery out there, and I wasn't feeling my best, as I said, this day. So I went back to Bike and Bean and got some coffee and headed home. I visited Caduceus Cellars and bought one wine. Had a wine tasting of 4 or 5, and bought this one 50% Sangiovese, I believe. It says 55. 35% Cabernet Sauvignon and 10% Merlot. $50. It's a steal. The lighting is really bad, but well, it's the best I can do right now. So, and there seems to be a card included. It explains about the wine, of course. Well, but I'm not going to drink that tonight. I'm going to finish off this from Arizona Stronghold, and it's a 65% Sangiovese, 30% Cabernet Sauvignon, and 5% Merlot. One of my favorites is Hard to Ruin Sangiovese. Tomorrow I'm probably going to get a bit of meat, a steak or something like that, so I might be buying some Zinfandel. Definitely going to buy some Zinfandel tomorrow. So yeah, that's it. Look at the poor lighting. Awful. Yeah, so that's it for this day 7 of my vacation. Tomorrow is going to be another trail day, biking day, and there'll be a lot of footage from the trail. So, well, I hope you liked this video, and please don't forget to give it a like or something like that. Until next time, have fun on the interwebs.